Now let's see today's super delicious chicken handi recipe. Now here I've taken 200 grams of boneless chicken that I've cut into small cubes. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to mix all of this really well and then cover and keep it aside for 30 minutes. Now in the meantime, I'm going to grind half a cup of fried onions and 1/4 cup of soaked cashew nuts to a very fine paste. I'll leave the instructions of the same in the description box below. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of jeera or cumin, 2 cardamoms or elaichi, 1 inch of cinnamon or dalchini, and 1 bay leaf. Next, I'm going to add the paste of 4 small cloves of garlic and half an inch of ginger. If you're using the ready-made ginger garlic paste, then about 1 tablespoon. Fry the ginger garlic really well. Now I'm going to add 1 green chili that I've chopped fine, and I'm going to fry the green chili as well. Now we're going to add our marinated chicken and mix everything really nicely. We're going to fry the chicken till the chicken turns to a little whitish color. So fry it for about 2 minutes till the chicken turns white on a medium to high flame, stirring continuously. After that, you can lower the flame to medium, then add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder or paprika, and again mix everything really nicely. Now I'm going to add the puree or the paste of 1 medium-sized tomato. I've just taken 1 tomato and put it in my mixer jar and ground it to a very fine paste. Next we're going to add, so mix everything really well first. And now we're going to add our fried onion and cashew nut paste. I'll leave the instructions as to how I made the paste. Now mix everything really well. Now I'm going to add half a cup of water. This is the cashew nut paste and onion water that was there in the mixer jar. I just rinsed that with some water and I'm going to add that. Mix everything really nicely. And now we're going to cover and cook this on a low to medium flame for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally because now we want to cook the chicken really nicely till it's soft and tender. Don't forget to stir in intervals. After 8 to 10 minutes, again uncover the chicken, and now we're going to add salt, but do keep in mind that we've already added salt during marination, so just check for taste and then add the salt. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of crushed kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves, half a teaspoon of garam masala. Now this is my homemade garam masala. I'll leave a link of how I prepare it at home. It's super simple. Mix everything well. We have just 2 more ingredients to go through and our dish will be ready. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cream. You can use fresh cream or you can even use the cream or the malai that comes on top of the milk that we regularly use. And now just garnish it with some lovely coriander. And your dish is all ready. Squeeze some lemon, serve it with some onion, and it goes well with some roti.